Hello, hello. I'm Daisy, and I'm bit by bit just trying to teach myself some programming. So, I'm just gonna do a short little stream and video today to just try to make some progress in The Farmer Was Replaced. See if I can't learn a thing or two and figure out what to do next. Hold on. Let's see. Game scene. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Perfect. Sweet. All right. I need a game plan. I guess I need like a goal right now. Let's see. Yeah, I guess something to unlock. Yeah, this is all Oh, this needs some wood. Let's start this. Yeah. Okay, this I'm proud of. I managed to get going last time. It took me a couple hours, but figured it all out. I didn't think I'd managed to figure anything out the first time I played this game. So yeah, when we get wood, we'll buy that. This needs wood to increase the yield of carrots. Actually, I guess I'll get this next. Oh, and I gotta do grass to increase the yield of trees. I could buy... Okay, let's see. Water the plants to make them grow faster. I can't... I mean, right now that's not going to be useful for me, because the only thing that takes time to grow is the trees, and they seem to... I believe they fully grow. It looks like... Well, actually, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, at least that one... They look like they're getting fully grown before my drone gets to them. That, I mean, that might not be the case later, but right now, that seems to be what's happening. It's, the trees are fully growing before I even get to them, so we don't need water right now. I'll buy this. Yeah, I guess pumpkins are our next thing. Maybe that's what I should figure out. Oh wait, let's see. Lists. I'm just gonna buy some of this stuff. Import things. Import. Putting all your code in a single file quickly becomes unmanageable. Import statements allow you to import functions and global variables from another file. Import module 2. Module 2, x plus 1. Okay, I might need to read into this later, but that seems good, because I created this function here that I called carrot cycle, which I wish I had called something else because it also grows trees, but whatever. I mean, I guess I can rename it now, but yeah, that one, I might just leave that function like in its own thing, and then import it. Yeah, actually, I think I'll do that just to kind of get the practice going. Yeah. But yeah, that'll be progress today. If I can't figure anything else out today, that'll be one thing. All right, let's see, where is that? Import. Okay, so putting on that becomes unmanageable. This allows you to import functions and global variables from another file. So yeah, let's copy all this. Control C. We'll create another one of these. Control V. And I'll name it I mean, what's a better name for it? It makes carrots and trees, so let's call it carrot tree. I mean, I don't want it to be like too long, but I guess, yeah, carrot and tree. Def carrot and tree. And then with this, let's see. Okay, for now, I'll do grass just so we can do all that. We'll go like this. And we'll... Oh, yeah, what should I name this? Oh, crud. I mean, yeah, I'll just call it carrot and tree. Well, because I'm going to import it, so, I mean, I guess naming it carrot and tree would just make it so that, I'll know exactly what to do. Let's see, module 2. Wait, so this is print. So the module is called print x and it prints x. Import. Uh-oh. Just gonna name it. Yeah, my function. Just to keep things simple for now. Okay. Oh boy. This is like the worst thing that it's probably my biggest weakness when it comes to coding anything, is I lack the creativity to come up with names for anything. Oh. Import things. So import other file.function. My function. Okay, clear while true. My function dot carrot and tree. And then, all right. Oh, cool. All right, now we're in business. This feels pretty professional. I got a function going. All right, I'm gonna put this up here. Actually, I'm gonna rename it. Actually, I prefer function 1. That's a better name, I think. Okay, function 1, carrot and tree, import function 1. Let's let me look at this really quick. Okay. Let's see, what else can we look into that I don't fully understand? 2 achievements I haven't gotten yet are putting a hat on my thing, which I guess I should do that, and petting the pig. And I know, achievement hunting's a little silly, but it's just like a free, it's something to do, at least. Oh yeah, actually, now that we got some grass, let's... Oh, I need 19,000. Okay. Never mind. Let's, plants, entity grass, entities bush, entity tree for P in plants. Plant P. Okay, random. Okay, that needs pumpkins. See, I kind of want to get a list just so I have it, but I can't think of anything to do with it right now. And so I might just kind of forget. I'll just buy it, whatever. Lists are an easy way to store multiple values in a single variable. You can create new lists like this. The list now contains 2 true items and hay. It can be empty. So wait, can it just straight up have booleans and values? Alright, index, plant carrots. You can iterate over a list using a loop. Following methods, okay. See, I know how a list works, but it's kind of funny because, like, in the context of this game, very simple things like variables and lists they just feel complex because I just don't know what to do with them in this game. Like, I don't know what to do with a list or a variable yet, And yet, like, defining a function and using it, for me, that feels kind of complex, but now that's something I'm actually using, and whereas a variables feels really basic, and I'm not really using that. Okay, we're gonna put function 1 up there. And gonna buy this. I wonder if there's a way to... I mean, is grass just something I should just have running? Because I can't think of another way to get more grass. Oh wait, this is how we... No, this is how we get more grass. Oh, probably should have gotten that a while ago. So this is like a back and forth. Wood lets me get more grass, and grass lets me get more wood. Okay. Pop and land. Okay, yeah. I gotta figure out how to do something with less later. Let's see. Oh man, I'm tired. What's this? Okay, that needs pumpkins. Pumpkins. Auto unlock. Automatically unlocks things. Oh yeah, so print. So yeah, print. I can see that this might be useful if, like, I need to see if what something is returning. Like if it's what Boolean it's returning, or if it's like returning none, then I can say like, okay, print, or like, you know, get coordinates and say print. You can do step-by-step mode with the you can go into step-by-step mode with the button next to the execute button, or by setting a breakpoint. Breakpoints will be added by clicking the breakpoint panel to the left of the code. Oh, that's interesting. It'll automatically switch to step-by-step mode. When you move your mouse over a variable, its current value is displayed. Oh yeah, I don't have any variables. The print function can be very useful. It will write any value passed to it directly in the air. Okay, so it will just like say something above it. Print true or false. So print can harvest, and then depending on where it is, it'll say. Okay, print current position. Writing in the air can be a bit slow if you want to print a lot of values. In this case, you can use quick print function, which prints only to the output window. There's an output window. Where is this output window? All right, hold on. I'm gonna do my carrots and trees. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh, I broke this. Function 1. And I got a chat from a bot. Hello, bot. Thank you for showing up to ease my loneliness. No. All right. So that's cool. So print, that's gonna be useful later. And these require pumpkins. Oh, what's this? I need like gold. Treasure chest functions to temporarily slow down the execution and make the farm smaller. That execution speed. So that could be helpful. Like if I accidentally make my drone too fast and it starts harvesting these trees too quickly. Let's see. So I could try to figure out the pumpkin thing. I think I've bought just about everything I can except pumpkin and water. I don't really... Okay, let's buy pumpkins. Grow like carrots on the tilled soil. Planting them costs carrots. That's strange. Okay, when all pumpkins in a square are fully grown, they will grow together to form a giant pumpkin. They have a 20% chance of dying once they're fully grown. Okay. When a pumpkin dies, it leaves behind a dead pumpkin that won't drop anything when harvesting. Planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead pumpkin, so there's no need to harvest it. Can harvest always returns false on dead pumpkins. Well, that's important to know. The yield depends on the size. It's a good idea to get at least 6 by 6 pumpkins to get the full multiplier. And n times n pumpkin yields n times 6 pumpkins for n equals greater than 6. Oh. Okay, so I feel like this pumpkin thing, I'm not gonna do this thing that I did with the carrots and trees where I combine it. I'm probably gonna make a pumpkin code that's like completely separate. And same with the water. I guess I may as well buy the water. And I'll buy this and that. Cactus polyculture. Use companion planting to increase the yield. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to like watch a video about this. Just like to get ideas, I mean, you know, as long as they're not just spelling it out for me, I might learn something by watching some other people play this game. Watering. Plants grow faster when they are watered. The ground has a water level ranging from 0 to 1. Function get water returns the water level of the ground it's over. Growth speed of a plant scales literally from 1 times speed at water level 0 to 5 times speed at water level 1. The ground dries up over time. On average, it loses 1% of its current water per second, but there's some random variance to this. Maintaining a high water level will consume much more water than maintaining a low water level. Man, this game is starting to get frustratingly, not... I mean, with the 20% chance of your pumpkin dying and randomness to your thing drying up, it feels not as like mathematical as it was before. I mean, that's good though, because it makes things more interesting. Hey man, this very quickly is feeling it's like it's out of my depth, but that's how all coding used to feel. So I guess it's only a matter of time before I learn all of this stuff. You can use water on your plants. 1 tank of water is automatically added to your inventory every 10 seconds. Okay, so that's why that's going up. It just goes up. Upgrading unlocks watering will double the amount of water you get every 10 seconds. Tank holds 0.25 water. Oh, so watering it doesn't even make it 1. It only does 1/4 and then it dries up. Can use items water over any ground to water the ground. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure something out here, because I think at some point I'm gonna need to learn the watering and the... Alright, let's upgrade this a few times. Oh, looks like I can upgrade it plenty of times. Oh, okay. Fertilizer, grow plants instantly. Sunflowers. Collect the power of the sun. You can harvest that power. What? Okay. If you say so. So planting them works exactly like planting carrots or pumpkins. Harvesting of carrots or pumpkins, so grows on tilled soil. Harvesting a grown sunflower yields power. If there are at least 10 sunflowers on the farm and you harvest the one with the largest number of petals, you get 8 times more power. Huh. If there are at least 10 sunflowers and you harvest the one with the largest number of petals. So having more is better. What is this? Plants versus zombies. If you harvest a sunflower while there's another sunflower with more petals, the next sunflower you harvest will only give you the normal amount of power. Huh. Measure returns the number of petals of the sunflower under the drone. Sunflowers have at least 7 and at most 15 petals. They can already be measured before they are fully grown. So I'm going to have to make the drone. I'm going to have to automate something where it goes around checking all the sunflowers and stuff. In this case, it doesn't matter which of one of them you harvest. As long as you power the drone, as long as you have the power, the drone will use it to run twice as fast. It consumes 1 power every 30 actions. Oh, okay. So power is just a resource that makes it, like, because my drone is at max speed right now, I think. Yeah, so... Oh, geez, 759%. Almost 760. But power is the way I exceed that, I guess. Executing other code statements can still use power, but a lot less than drone actions. In general, everything that is sped up by speed upgrades is also sped up by power. Anything sped up by power also uses power proportional to the time it takes to execute it, ignoring speed upgrades. I'm not sure I fully know what that means. Oh man, I'm gonna have to review a lot of this stuff. Because right now I'm doing nothing, I'm just buying things. I haven't accomplished a single thing this whole time. Fertilizer. At some point, waiting for the plants to grow is just not efficient enough anymore. Similar to water, you will automatically receive 1 fertilizer every 10 seconds, doubling with each upgrade. Oh, I probably should have bought the fertilizer a while ago then. Fertilizer can make plants grow instantly. Oh wait, I'm gonna see if I can buy more then. Whoa, what is this? A maze with a treasure in the middle. Oh, that's probably how I get treasure, so I can buy this debug thing. Yeah, mega farm. More drones. Oh, geez. A very fancy hat that only the best drones get to wear. It's like a final upgrade type dealio. You need 100 million bones. Oh, dinosaurs. Holy crud. Okay. I am hardly scratching the surface of this game, but I've unlocked a lot of stuff. I just realized I'm going through my grass a lot. What is causing me to go through grass? What requires... Does tilling require grass? Maybe it does. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna buy this grass upgrade. Oh man. And then I'm gonna do the grass thing. Yeah, we're just gonna get grass for a bit. What else needs grass for upgrades? This needs pumpkins. Pretty much everything needs pumpkins now. Pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkin, pumpkin. Yeah, we're gonna start off getting lots of pumpkins. Oh, I could be lazy and just make a very inefficient code to get pumpkins also. I don't really need super efficient code. Oh man. Okay. Well, I gotta go to bed soon anyway. It's like, yeah, it's 5:40. My sun's gonna come up around 6, or at least it's gonna start coming up, so I really gotta sleep. I'm just gonna keep things simple since I've been sitting around doing nothing this whole stream except like reading and buying stuff. So I'm just gonna try to I'm gonna put on a hat to get that achievement and then pet the pig to get that achievement. And that'll be that. Well, let's save also. Okay, so fertilizer, functions, grass, hats. Oh wait, I want to read the fertilizer thing because I unlocked fertilizer but didn't read it. Also, I should read sunflower. Harvesting gives you items power. If you have a sunflower with a maximum number of petals, you get bonus power. Okay, it can grow on soil. Oh, so I have to till stuff. Oh, it costs 1 carrot. Let's actually look at some of these pumpkins. Pumpkins grow together. I need 8 carrots. Where's till? Because till was another thing that... Till... Oh. So till doesn't cost anything. Oh wait, what do carrots cost? Because I mean, it was using up my grass before. Where are the carrots? Oh boy, oh, they're in items, I see. Well, wait, which one? Weird substance. For more information, see fertilizer. Or hay, wood, carrot. Oh, okay, so as an entity, see, oh, okay, I was looking at items. Entities, what I'm looking at. That cost 15 hay and 15, or 16 wood. 16 hay and 16 wood. Okay, so... Man, I guess I'll need to think of a way. Oh, hello. How goes it? Oh, you were in my stream yesterday, weren't you? Bobble convolute. How goes? Unfortunately, I won't be able to be here very long today. I gotta get to bed soon. It's 5:40 where I'm at. I have not slept yet. But I at least want to do some... I'm mostly just like reading stuff right now. These trying to understand more about this game, and I'm just buying upgrades. But I think I just want to make my drone change hats and figure out... There's a thing here that was like pet the pig. Oh, here it is. Yeah, pet the pig. Pet the piggy. I guess I can just actually just do that in 1 second. Hold on. Returns none. Wait, do you need to do while true? I wonder if I can just tell it to do that. I don't know why I haven't tried this yet. Hold on. I figured out how to import functions, though, from these other files. So now I've got my whole function here, and it's imported into this other file. But I gotta make a more complex code. So that I don't have to keep switching between this grass code and the carrot and tree code. What are we doing here? Oh yeah, pet the pig. Okay. I didn't expect it to do that. Is there any... I'm guessing there's no benefit at all. Well... let's see. What was the hat thing then? I do want to see what kind of hats we got. Change hat, gray hat, purple hat, green hat, brown hat. Okay, well I like a green hat. Sounds pretty good. Change hat. That's green hat. Let's do that. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. Why does it say do a flip in the It says equip them like this. Do you have to do a flip? Do a flip. It's just not necessary. This is just randomly... just completely random. Okay. Alright, so we got 2 achievements. What else can we do? I guess I should try to figure out the whole pumpkin situation. We got pumpkins and sunflowers and... oh boy. What's this? STR? Oh, string object. Returns a string representation of an object. Oh, I see. So if you need to store a variable... Huh. Okay. Yeah, I still can't... I got lists and variables and everything, but I don't even know what to do. Or how to make that something functional. Oh, num items, num unlocked. Yeah, there's a bunch of these things I didn't even notice that showed up here. Measure. Measure direction equals none. If direction is not none and measures the neighboring entity in the given direction. No. Oh, it's just to delay it. I see. Okay. You see, I figured because earlier, I think that's when they first, at the beginning of the game, that's kind of why they have do a flip there, is to make it so that you can, once you speed up your drone so that it's just harvesting grass and won't let it grow, you use do a flip to stop it from doing that. Okay. So that was an example of changing hats between all of them without, but I just realized since I executed a different code, it got rid of the green hat. So you need to have the green hat. That's dot green. Okay, now let's try. Oh, it didn't even do it. Wait, why did it not? Why is it? Okay, it makes it green. Oh, and then does clear. So, okay, hold on. Oh yeah, and I just learned about that, like, one step thing and putting breakpoints, but I don't know exactly. Oh yeah, you're right. It's yeah, it's the clear resetting it. Okay, we're change hats green. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. That's progress. Now that's what I call progress. Now we're in business. Okay, size of a cactus. There's cactuses. Oh man. Yeah, see, I bought like the water thing and pumpkin and fertilizer and all this stuff, and I figure I'll have to figure that out later, but pumpkins is something I think I can try to figure that out now. If it doesn't take me too long. Because I don't want to just start planting pumpkins on every single thing. That's not going to work. Oh boy. That might just have to be a problem I solve tomorrow, though. Because I am not firing on all cylinders right now. And losing sleep's gonna make it even harder tomorrow. Dead pumpkin. Oh, okay. Man. Oh jeez, I feel like I've... What time is it? Oh, it's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, I might just have to call it pretty soon because I need to be in bed before 6 a.m. Loading. Oh, okay. No, that's not related to that. External editor. Yeah, it says you can use like outside editors and stuff, but that's crazy that this game gets that complex. I'll figure it all out soon enough, I think. Stats. Oh, okay. Output. Uh-oh. Oh, I just opened that up. Completely separate. Well. Man. I'm just at a loss. But I am not at my best right now. I'm pretty tired, so I'm glad I at least managed to figure this function thing out. And change hats and stuff. Oh geez, actually, I can see the sun coming up. I definitely should get to bed. Okay, this might have to be where I stop, even though I hardly got anything done. I did get a bunch of water. I got a bunch of upgrades, and I got a couple achievements. Hold on. Nope. Can't get that. Or that. I mean, I can get more fertilizer, I guess, or more water. Oh, yeah, cool. Fertilizer's maxed out. Alright, yeah, I just gotta figure this out. Alright, yeah, thanks. Pumpkins seem like a good next step. Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll be my next project, my next thing. That'll be a tomorrow goal, though. I'm definitely not gonna be able to. I gotta get to bed. Anyway, yeah. Have a good night. This is where I hop off. All right, it's been real. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.